That was a stock chain. I'm going to get my filed chain. That chain I did, I'll explain at the end of the video. I'm going to discuss the 3 different chains that I ran. It's an 18-inch bar. The Stihl bar is a 20. Okay. And I'm going to show you. This is the... so I don't get them mixed up here. Okay. This one's the stock. Okay. As you can see. Stock. Okay. That's the semi-chisel. Okay. Try to put them up there for you. I'm trying to do this pretty quick here. Wish I had more time to do stuff, but okay. As you can see there, if I can get it. Okay. This one's stock. This one got just a little bit. One here got a little bit more angle to it. Okay, something I was experimenting with. You see how this? Now, where do I show you this other? This is the stock chain. This is the one I filed. See how this angle is a little bit broader. You see that? Now check this out. This chain's pretty aggressive. I got this filed with a 7 30-seconds. See that hook? That's a semi-chisel. Look at how aggressive that is versus this. This is the one no, this is the brand new chain versus this one. Look at how aggressive that puppy is. Now I probably did cut better on the video. That's something I'm playing with, changing this angle, making it more like this or like this. Okay. Show you the stock. Okay. See, the stock is a little bit more blunt. Little trick I do, like with these semi-chisels. Now, I know these can dull kind of quick, but if you want it to cut quick, oh yeah, this thing will cut quick. Okay. Yeah, this is the last chain you've seen cut. So, pretty interesting stuff there. Now, all these rakers I have, these are all stock. Okay. This chain, like I said, was filed 7 30-seconds. Was the last one you seen run. This chain here, I did 13/64, the one that this called for. Okay. Obviously, the stock chain. Okay. That's just some interesting stuff to play with. Like, really get crazy on something. I thought about, I don't know how that would work. If you change the angle like this, like sharp. You know, that's something I used to do when I used to drill bolts out. I used to do that. It would drill like super quick, but obviously you'd have to sharpen it. But that was a little trick I used to do for drilling bolts out. Just make them bits real broad. It'll cut, but you have to sharpen it all the time. But yep, so it's my 391. It's running pretty decent. It's I'll pull the muffler off in a bit and I'll show you what's going on. I don't know, maybe I'll do that. Let's see if look at that piston there. Looking pretty good. This is that's the Duke piston. Okay. Nice coating of oil on that. No scoring. It would score above that top ring, but not anymore. Because I had to raise the transfers a little bit. It seems to be holding up pretty good. Pretty happy with this 391. I'm not saying it's best saw, but I'm glad I can actually use this because these things ain't cheap. I don't know if you've looked at the price. Hell, I was just up the Stihl dealer picking something, you know, cheap up here. And, oh, they wanted like 700, I think, what was it, $50 for one of these? Holy smokes. That's, I don't know, man, it ain't worth it to me. But, seems to be holding up pretty good. Happy with that. Probably got, I don't know, 10 tanks since I did the port work and the piston work. And it seemed to be pretty good. Okay, guys, thought you thought that might be pretty interesting. Next time, keep feeling the heat.